To start our lesson today, our lesson is modeling division. I want you to go to your screen too if you're online, um, and we're going to look at this math message. It says 4 friends equally share 6 granola bars. How many granola bars will each friend get? Use sketches to show your thinking. That means they want you to draw and figure out this problem. Now, on yours, you could go ahead and draw a person. I'm going to go try to just, it makes it easier for me to just draw um, a circle. So there's a friend. How many friends? There are 4 friends. So I'm going to make 4 circles to represent our friends. So there's 4 circles. There's my 4 friends. And how many granola bars do I have? I have 4 friends and 6 granola bars. So here's a granola bar. 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 And here's a granola bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 granola bars. Now I got to think, how can I share with each friend equally? So I can think, well, I can give this one to this friend, and I can give this one to this friend, and I can give this one to this friend, and this one to this friend. And then I have 2 left over. So, if somebody gets 2 and everybody else gets 1, that wouldn't be fair. So in order for it to be fair, what could we do with these 2 granola bars? Think about it. What could we do? Well, I'm thinking, what if we cut one in half and cut this one in half, and then this half would go to this person, this half would go to that person, this half could go over here to that person, and finally this one could go all the way over to this person. Now everybody has equal amounts. So that would be, what would the answer be? How many granola bars would each friend get? We would write 1 and a half. This is how we write a half. 1 out of 2. We cut it 1 piece out of 2 pieces. So 1 and a half. Each friend would get 1 and a half granola bars. However, what if this was something that could not be cut in half? So let's say, I'm going to go to the next screen here, I think, if I can. Well, let's say that these were pennies. If these were pennies, we couldn't cut them in half. If we had 6 pennies and 4 friends, we could give each friend 1 penny. But how many would we have left over? If we gave everybody a penny, 1 penny, we would have 2 pennies left over. So another way to think about this is a remainder. We call it a remainder 2. That's what we call it, remainder. And instead of writing the word remainder, we can just put an R, remainder 2. So if we wrote this as a model sentence, we could say, okay, so we have 6 granola bars and we're dividing it into, there's the symbol for division, and we are dividing it by 4, equals, everybody gets 1, right? And the remainder, we have a remainder, which means leftover, is 2. So there's how we would write our model sentence with a remainder. If we had granola bars, we could cut them in half, but if we had pennies, we couldn't, and we'd have to write it like this. So now we're going to go ahead and practice some more of these on your screen slide 5. So I'd like you to go to screen 5 in your EDM online, and we're going to do a couple more of these number problems with sharing and division, modeling division.